She's had success as a singer, songwriter, businesswoman, and actor. She's sold more than 118 million records as a solo entertainer and another 60 million during her tenure with Destiny's Child. And when all of her recording acts are considered, she's received 79 Grammy nominations and won 28 of the prestigious awards. By any metric, Beyoncé isn't just a star, she's an icon. But unlike some others in the entertainment industry, the 39-year-old's fame isn't boosted by frequent interviews, promotional appearances, or tell-all glimpses of her private life on social media. On the contrary, Beyoncé has a reputation for loving her privacy and only speaking out on her own terms, which is exactly how she broached the topic in a September cover feature for Harper's Bazaar. "We live in a world with few boundaries and a lot of access," Beyoncé explained in the piece. "There are so many internet therapists, comment critics, and experts with no expertise. Our reality can be warped because it's based on a personalized algorithm. It shows us whatever truths we are searching for, and that's dangerous. We can create our own false reality when we're not fed a balance of what's truly going on in the world. It's easy to forget that there's still so much to discover outside of our phones. I'm grateful I have the ability to choose what I want to share." And she exercises that ability like only a person with one name fame can do. "One day I decided I wanted to be like Sade and Prince," she continued. "I wanted the focus to be on my music, because if my art isn't strong enough or meaningful enough to keep people interested and inspired, then I'm in the wrong business. My music, my films, my art, my message, that should be enough."
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe